Now, electric cars. I mean, they really do seem like the way forward for most of the time. Well, of course, the simple answer is yes, they are, but they will also require a little bit of planning to make sure you get the right one for you, the best tools for the job and all that.
Initially, one thing we always say is that people should do their sums. Have a look at how you actually use your car, the kinds of miles you do regularly, and your lifestyle. They'll all impact on which car you should buy. So first, you're going to want to see if it makes financial sense for you to go electric. And you need to look past the higher purchase price and add up what you'd usually spend on fuel, road tax, servicing, and the usual stuff like insurance. Then compare it to the running costs of an electric car. Now, this is known as the total cost of ownership. Included in that should be making sure you take advantage of government grants and the cheapest domestic energy supplies. There's £1,500 off the cost of a new electric car under £32,000. And you can get money off the cost of installing a home wallbox too.
Okay, so let's look at an actual example based on a Vauxhall Mokka. First up is the petrol version. Now, if you buy it on a typical PCP, it's going to cost you £354 per month. If fuel is £1.45 per litre, then the petrol is going to cost you £109. Road tax is £15 per month and servicing is £19 per month. So all of that adds up to a grand total of £497. Remember that figure. But now let's look at Vauxhall's all-electric Corsa-e. Now, with the same finance model, it's £397 per month, which makes it £43 more expensive. But don't go anywhere, because we're going to look at the total cost of ownership. So, the next set of figures. The cost to charge at home is going to be £33 per month, and you will actually be able to get those costs lower if you choose a lower, cheaper nighttime electricity tariff. The road tax is a whopping £0. You get that one for free when you drive electric, and of course the servicing is going to be cheaper because electric cars have less moving parts to maintain. In fact, if you buy a Vauxhall Corsa-e, it's completely free. So that gives us a grand total of £430, which, yes, well done the mathematicians, means you're going to save £67 per month by going electric. Win-win. Now, another thing that does concern a lot of people is how they might charge an electric car. But honestly, it really isn't that difficult once you know how, especially if you have a home wallbox at home. That is the easiest and cheapest way to charge because you can wake up to a full battery every morning. The stuff dreams are made of. But all is not lost if you can't. Most people in the UK actually only drive about 20 miles a day. So a small car like a Vauxhall Corsa-e or a Vauxhall Corsa-e with a 200 plus mile range will only actually need charging at a public charger once a week. You'll even have enough left over to pop to the shops or go visit those friends further afield. And even if you have to make longer journeys, you soon get used to using public stations. Apps like WhatsApp and ZapMap give you live information on where the nearest chargers are, or you can simply ask your car's sat-nav to find one for you. Okay, we know it can sound a little bit complicated at first, but honestly, once you properly try an electric car, very few people actually want to switch back. I mean, they're quick. They're fun, they're quiet, efficient, and they're good for your wallet as well as the environment. And you will never have to visit a petrol station ever again. Win-win.